case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The 2003 lawsuit, Hackl versus Commissioner, resulted from a tangle between Albert J. A.J. and his wife Christine M. Hackl and the Internal Revenue Service concerning the clever transfer of shares in their flourishing tree farming business to family members. Post-retirement, the Hackls started this business and soon afterward held the belief that transitioning ownership in this fashion would let them dodge the dreaded gift tax. The IRS, however, disagreed, which led to a $400,000 deficiency being slapped onto their bill. This legal scuffle wound its way to the tax court, which sided with the IRS. The court's decision pinned the issue onto the nature of the shares transferred. Considered future interests, these shares were deemed non-exempt from gift tax. By its definition, future interests denote assets or shares that can't be enjoyed immediately. Their value only materializes after some time. Refusing to back down, the Hackls challenged this decision with an appeal where they presented an argument positing that the gift tax exclusion comes into play only when the donors relinquished less than the complete bundle of legal property rights. The tussle didn't end in their favor. The Court of Appeals drew from a precedent-setting case that acknowledged the forgiveness of a corporation's debt as a future interest. That led the court to the conclusion that the Hackls act of transferring shares fell under future interest, which is excluded from the gift tax exception. Despite their efforts to prove the contrary, the Court of Appeals upheld the tax court's decision. The Hackls' attempt to evade the gift tax backfired, as their inability to demonstrate that their transfers were eligible for exclusion left them empty-handed. The takeaway? All future interests are subject to gift tax even when they are outright transfers. And in this situation, the Hackls' supposed gift to their family was no present benefit, but a future liability.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class